Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this amazing website right here called Userlistic. So what is the work of Userlistic? Userlistic pays you by testing websites, apps and all. So you can literally test people's website and you will get paid for it. So that is the work of Userlistic. So now let us explore the website together. So as you can see here says join us and shape the future of user experience. So that's just how it works. And one thing I want to tell you that, so as you can see here, Userlistic employs people that are over 16 years old. You don't even have to be over 18. If you are over 16 years old, you can literally earn on Userlistic. You can see like most other websites, it is over 18, but Userlistic are more considerate. So if you are over 16 years old, you can still earn on Userlistic guys. So as you can see here says test, earn and repeat. Become a vital part of our global community dedicated to enhancing usability worldwide. So as you can see here, user testing software has never been easier, whether you are at home, on the go, or wherever you prefer. You can contribute your insights using your phone, tablet or computer. So that's just how it works guys. So these are the 3 steps to start testing. So number 1 here says apply, which means you provide your email to join our extreme global network of testers. Once sign up, make sure to fill out your profile details. So that's just it guys. You are not being charged to create an account. You only need your email address and that's all. So here says test and share your insight, which means answer screening questions to align with testing opportunity that match your skills, including website usability testing and mobile app testing. So your insights help enhance products and services for top tier brand. And the last one here says earn money online. So here says receive compensation for each completed test. Easily track your earnings through your test feed. Your payments conveniently processed every 2 weeks via PayPal. So that's just how it works guys. You will literally get your money into your PayPal account. So let's check out products and services guys. So there are a lot of things you can do on Userlistic. So as you can see here, the first one here says user testing, which means like moderated testing, unmoderated testing, prototype testing. So there's also something we call research approaches. So you can see quantitative testing, qualitative testing, you can see here cross-platform also, and a lot of other things guys. You can see here AI UI UX analysis. So all these things guys, you can literally go with one niche. So you just niche down and just choose one preferable niche and then start earning. It is that easy guys. So now let's say you want to start with moderated testing guys. So you can see here conduct face-to-face mobile app testing session with your target audience and you will get paid guys. So that's just it. There are a lot of cool things to discuss about user testing, but you need to test it yourself so that you can see the amazing app they have here. So if you have any more questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section below guys, and that will be all for our video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.